Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine, bache. Let's do the writing skills of chapter number 10. You are the narrator. You are overcome with a feeling of guilt after Baldev and his son leave your house. See, beta, they brought a bundle of gifts for the narrator to thank him, as they thought that the narrator had helped Baldev and his son in in getting themselves free from imprisonment. Okay. Write a letter to Baldev expressing your guilt over accepting the honor that you did not deserve. And the narrator was guilt conscious that why he has accepted the rewards and he wanted to return the rewards. Beta, first of all, in informal letters, address is given. Okay. If no address is given, write examination hall ABC city. Date should be month, date, comma, year. I am telling you only one format to follow, beta. Date, that is January 6, comma 2021. Okay, dear Baldev, I am writing this letter to make a confession. Confession होता है कोई किसी चीज़ को accept करना. Yesterday you loaded me with gifts thinking that I had got your son acquitted, but this is not true. Acquitted होता कि मैंने तुम्हारे बेटे को छुड़वाया है, but ये सच नहीं है. I should have told you the reality then only, but could not gather the courage to do so. मुझे तब भी तुम्हें बता देना चाहिए था कि मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, बट मेरे अंदर हिम्मत नहीं हुई. I had even forgotten the matter and did not pay a visit to the district officer. कहते मैं तुम्हें बताना भूल गया, मैं पूरे मैटर को भूल गया था और मैं डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिसर के पास गया ही नहीं बात करने के लिए. Putting a word of your son lies far apart. तुम्हारे बेटे के बारे में बात करना तो बहुत दूर की बात है. Dear friend, the case has been decided on its merit and thanks Almighty who showered his blessing and the district officer decided the case in the most professional manner. कहते कि भगवान की क्या हमारे पे कृपा हुई है और क्या हुआ, डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिसर ने अपने आप ही क्या कर दिया, प्रोफेशनली इस केस को अपने आप ही सॉल्व कर दिया. प्लीज़ फॉरगिव मी, मुझे माफ़ कर दो, बिकॉज आई कुड नॉट हेल्प यू. आई एम सेंडिंग योर गिफ्ट्स बैक, योर फ्रेंड प्रेमचंद. So this is the letter, beta, that you are supposed to write in your fair notebook of English A. Now, assignments of chapter number 10. First question that I gave you for trial yesterday. What views do the people have about writers in India? See, beta, in foreign countries, writers are given due respect, but it is not England or America where writers are given due respect. They can be seen in a crowd around the rich people, so that they can get a chance and they might get a recognition. Their name might be called on the stage. Okay, they feel that somebody might mention their name on the stage and call them to give them honor. Okay. Why did the narrator turn down the counsel of his friends? बेटा, narrator ने क्यों अपने friends की बात नहीं मानी? The narrator turned down the counsel of his friends because he did not want to turn down a request merely because it was from the district officer appeared to him against all the principle of good manners. कहते कि नरेटर को बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगा कि वो सिर्फ एक रिक्वेस्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिसर की मना कर दे, मिलने ना जाए, क्योंकि सिर्फ वो डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिसर है और मैं एक ऑर्डिनरी मैन हूँ तो मैं ना जाऊँ. उसको प्रिंसिपल्स के अगेंस्ट लगा. ये कहते कि बिल्कुल भी मैनर्स नहीं है ये. Undoubtedly, if we had come to see him, it would not have led to any loss of prestige to him. कहते अगर डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिसर खुद भी मिलने आ जाता तो उसकी भी शान कम ना हो जाती आने से, है ना बेटा. Now, who was Baldev? Why did he come to the narrator? Baldev कौन था? Baldev was narrator's childhood friend. Why did he come to the narrator? He came to see him to the narrator because his son was arrested in a false case of tragedy and wanted the narrator to talk to the district officer about his son. Okay, as he had acquaintance with the district officer, because Baldev came to know that कि narrator और district officer की क्या है, friendship है. That's why he wanted to have a favor from the narrator to speak to the district officer about his son. I hope you are clear with this. What did the writer's friend advise him? See, बेटा, writer के friend ने कैसे advise किया था उसको? The writer's friends advised him not to go as they thought it was an insult of him of being called like this. कहते उसको इस तरह बुलाना तो क्या था, बहुत ही क्या था, उसकी इंसल्ट करने वाली बात थी. इफ द डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिसर वॉज सो कीन टू सी हिम, अगर तुमसे मिलने का इतना ही इच्छुक था, ही वुड हैव कम हिमसेल्फ, उसको अपने आप से आना चाहिए था. एंड फर्दर सेड इफ देयर वॉज एन ऑफिशियल मैटर देन ही हैड नो चॉइस. कहते अगर ये कोई ऑफिशियल मैटर होता तो उसके पास कोई चॉइस होती ही ना. Now, what did Baldev tell the narrator about his eldest son? कहते कि बलदेव ने क्या बताया नरेटर कि मेरा बेटा बड़ा बेटा कैसा है. See, Baldev told him that his son was a hefty, heavy and well-built man like him only. मैं बलदेव की तरह ही है. He never take anything lying down. कभी भी वो किसी चीज़ को गलत चीज़ को बर्दाश्त नहीं करता. ही हैड quarreled with the police several times, और उसने पुलिस से बहुत बार झगड़ा भी किया गलत इस चीज़ को लेकर. सो दे हैड अरेस्टेड हिम इन सम फॉल्स केस ऑफ डकैती, और तभी उन्होंने क्या कर दिया, उसको अरेस्ट कर लिया एक फॉल्स केस में. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Did the narrator do what Baldev had asked him to do? Why or why not? See, Baldev had asked the narrator to talk to the district officer about his son. So, but the narrator forgot to do so. No, the narrator did not do what Baldev had asked him to do because he did not want to get involved in such type of matters. See, the narrator was a man of principles and he did not like taking obligations from someone. Okay, and he doesn't, and moreover he did not want to take advantage of his acquaintance, जो उसकी जान पहचान है डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिसर से, वो उसका फ़ायदा नहीं उठाना चाहता था. इवन ही हैड नो इंटेंशन व्हाटसोएवर ऑफ कीपिंग हिज प्रॉमिस टू हिम. कि तो उसके कोई इंटेंशन नहीं थी कि वो क्या करेगा कि डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिसर से बात भी करेगा बलदेव के सन को लेकर, क्योंकि as you have read in the chapter that the narrator had to say what in the next meeting, whenever Baldev would next meet him, he would say he had talked to the district officer and the district officer did not consider it right to interfere in the work of his subordinates. So he did not have any intention to talk about Baldev's son to the district officer. Moreover, he had completely forgotten that moment, और वो बिल्कुल भी भूल भी गया था इस मैटर के बारे में. You remember when Baldev and his son brought a bundle of gifts for him, then all of a sudden he remembered that he had forgotten the matter entirely. So such friends are not called friends at all. Justify the title of the story. Yeah, but this is very important question, the undeserved reward. As the narrator had been given reward for what he had not done, so the title is very much appropriate. The title of story is suitable as the narrator of the story gets reward for what he has not done. He has no intention, but he cannot gather the courage to tell the truth. See, he did not want to keep the gifts as well, as it was not deserving. So, but he cannot tell his childhood friend that he had done nothing, and he could not pick up the courage to tell him the truth. Beta, rest of the questions we are going to do in the next class. Till then, bye. Please do the above question answers in your fair notebook and learn them as well. As your board exams are coming approaching soon, so please prepare yourself very well. Take care. Goodbye.